Alright, so in this video you are going to see the last 3 pages for Positivity Passport come to life. It's going to be this one, and then this one, and this one. And that'll be it for June. So I'm so happy that you made it through with me and that you came along with this fun little journey. And now I'm going to start showing you July. So I hope you are ready for more Positivity Passport, because I'm just really loving this little project of finding the happy, especially in this weird time that we are in. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina. I'm on a few design teams, and I also have a class with Big Picture Classes. So thanks for being here. I hope you enjoy this video. All right. Okay, so for this spread, I have added in my washi, and I am just picking out some stickers to put in the top right corner, and then I think I'm going to put one down in the left corner. If I'm going to do it in one corner box, I like to do it in both just so it matches and has consistency. Otherwise, it would probably bug me. I'm erasing my notes because I put notes in the middle of the page about what I wanted to document. I'm going to add currently right there, and I'm going to eventually make a currently list, and I'm also going to stick down a sticker that says fave. Somehow in the process of something, I wound up cutting it in half, but that's okay. I'm still just going to use it, and I'll just make sure it's glued down really well. I am going to fussy cut out I was here. I think that's what it says, because I took this picture on a bike ride. And I think I ran out of adhesive. That's why I'm using that glue pen. I am going to stamp the date, and then I will be using the journaling prompts to kind of guide my journaling on the left-hand side. 5 things about today. Okay, moving on to this one. I journaled for the previous one off camera. So in this one, I'm going to go with monochromatic, and I'm going to do mostly blues. And this is when I got to see my mom for the first time in 3 months. So it was really awesome to see my mom. I have some fun washi tape that I'm going to use for the blues. And then I'm also going to get out the days of the week stamp set, and I am going to stamp Saturday and Sunday, and then fussy cut those out. One's going to be in a dark blue and one's going to be in a bright blue. And I will use the right hand side of this spread to kind of document both days, so document the whole weekend. I'm taking this stamp and I turned it on its side so that way I could stamp. I don't think I wound up going all the way up the photo of my mom and I wish I had, to create like a little border, but that's okay. So I just stamped Sunday, and I'm going to fussy cut it and then put it over on the right hand side. First, I'm going to stamp weekend, and then I will put the Sunday there, and also stamp in the dates. And then I am going to just jot out some journaling and some different notes about what happened during that weekend. And right there, I accidentally put the date where the feeling was supposed to go, so I just kind of did an arrow. Whatever, that works. It'll work, and we can move on. Okay, I'm almost done with this spread, adding a sticker up in the corner, and then I'm done. I love that one. Came together so pretty, and I just love it. All right, this one is Happy Mail and another bike ride. I'm going to go with light pink and then some blues. I'm going to use a Happy Mail sticker because I always forget to use that sticker sheet. I don't know why, but I do. And then I used an OMG, and then I'm also going to stamp the date. And then in the corner, I'm going to use the same blue ink for both sentiments. I think in the bottom left corner, I did like I got mail or I got this in the mail. And I'm going to do another blue stamp up in the top right corner. Over here, I have the photo of myself, and then I finally decided to add the washi, but I put down the pink first, and then I realized that I really wanted to put down the blue first. So I'm going to go ahead and lift up the photo right here and then tuck it under and do the same thing on the left-hand side. Just lift up the photo, tuck down the blue tape, and then put back down the pink tape. And it will all work out. And then the last thing I'm going to do is stamp 2 bigger sentiments in the light pink ink that I have from Ali Edwards. I think on the right hand side, I'm going to stamp "This is me," and I pushed extra hard so it would come out because I have the hardest time using those inks. And that will wrap up these two spreads. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing these pages come together. I think this one is a new favorite. I just love the monochromatic and sticking with the blues and just that cute photo of my mom and I. I had not seen her in probably over 3 months because of everything that's going on. And so it was really nice to be able to see her again. And then some happy mail, and then I like the lighter color scheme that I decided to go with, and then this fun selfie of myself on my bike ride. And then I wound up with a few extra pages. Just for June, I picked and chose, is that how you say it? Pick and choose which pages I was gonna do or what days I was gonna do. So I didn't necessarily do every single day, and that's okay. So I'm gonna give you a flip through real quick because I'm thinking that I might do a whole video for June and July. So that would be fun to go through that together and just talk about the different things that I tried in these albums. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this process video and all the other process videos. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.